channel. So COVID got me all bored in life, and since I didn't see any vacation happening right now, I thought why not just go out and explore my own city, Delhi. And I have been reading so much about Humayun's tomb, and I have been surprised in myself that how come I never came to this place, being in Delhi like almost all my life. This is the entry. We get the tickets from here, and we got to show a barcode. This is where we enter. This looks absolutely pretty, the whole entrance. I can't believe I'd actually never been to this place before. Wow, I'm loving how the entrance is like, looks all royal. And they say it right, if you look hard enough, you will find a lot of these gems in your own city. We just gotta be like, out there and explore. And we're reaching the final main area here, and people always staring at me, obviously. Wow, this looks damn pretty. Can't wait to climb up there. Guys, I'm loving this whole area, the fields here, the whole feel of actually venturing out in my own city and being so proud of it. Like, you gotta see this, it's damn pretty. Am I the only one who's actually never seen Humayun's tomb before? Like, read so much about it, studied about it, but never been here. Am I the only one? Reply in comments, let me know. Till then, this place is actually made by Bano, who is the wife of Humayun. And my mask is off because I'm socially distanced, and there's a lot of cardio here. Have a look. Burning my last night's extra calories. Whoa. Oh, here we are. So what you see right here are the graves. We've climbed up on the roof, and it said that there are about 100 graves out here. That's a lot. And the view is amazing from the roof up here. Wow. details about the fort. And oh my god, this is in Hindi. हुमायूं का मकबरा. Oh god, can someone read this for me?
हुमायूं का मकबरा. हुमायूं की शोकाग्रस्त विधवा हमीदा बानो बेगम ने बादशाह हुमायूं का मकबरा बनाया. ताजमहल से पहले निर्मित यह मकबरा 120 मीटर वर्ग के चबूतरे पर है तथा इसकी ऊंचाई.
So the wife of Humayun, Banu Begum, made this for Badshah Humayun, right? Yeah. And this is how many years old?
This is 1565 to 1572. It was made within that time.
Okay, it's pretty old. So this place has more than like 100 graves out here. Main one is Humayun's, which we've seen.
Because of that, the name is Mughlon ka Shah Nagar.
So how cool is this? They have the information in Braille as well for blind people. Pretty nice. Okay, we have Mr. Uma Shankar Pandey ji here, who works here. आप कितने सालों से हैं यहाँ पे?
मैं 8 साल से 12 से हूँ जी.
8 साल हो गए. अच्छा, अभी कोरोना के टाइम में लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे?
ऑनलाइन आते हैं, छुट्टी वाला दिन कुछ आते हैं, थोड़ा ज़्यादा में कम ही है.
अच्छा, ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं रहता?
ना.
ओके, फिर भी कितने लोग आ जाते होंगे दिन के?
देखिए जी, अब की संडे को मैडम जी 1000 के नीचे, 1000 के आगे.
अच्छा, 1000 आ जाते हैं.
1000.
1000 तो गुड नंबर है.
कि इसके बाद वो उठाता नहीं.
हाँ.
समझे ना?
हाँ.
ऐसे और 400-500 ऐसे.
और कुछ आप हमें बताना चाहेंगे इस जगह के बारे में, कुछ स्पेशल, कुछ क्या कुछ
ईशा खान का मकबरा है.
ये कौन सा है?
ईशा खान का मकबरा.
ईशा खान
हुमायूं तुमसे 30 बरस पहले है ये.
अच्छा, ये उनसे 30 साल पहले का है. अच्छा, ये भी जाके देखना बनता है.
हाँ.
ओके, और यहाँ पे आपका कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई दिक्कत कभी नहीं हुआ? अच्छा, मास्क
बाबा का कृपा है.
हाँ,
हम
कोई
दिक्कत लगाते हैं. पुलिस वाला यहाँ आकर 500 रुपए चालान भी काटता है.
हाँ,
आकर
नहीं, मैं तो यहाँ पहली बार ही आई हूँ. मैं हैरान हो गई हूँ कि कितना अच्छा बना हुआ है, एकदम साफ सुथरा मेंटेन
है. इसको देखकर ही ताजमहल, मिनी ताजमहल
ही लग रहा है.
देखकर शाहजहां ने बनाया है ताजमहल. इसका दादा बाबा लगेंगे.
हाँ.
अकबर के बाप थे हुमायूं.
हाँ.
बाबर यानी इनका पिताजी ही हम लोग को देश पर आए थे.
हाँ. नहीं, कुछ तो अच्छा कर गए हैं.
नहीं, यहाँ का पैसा यहीं लगा के गए. लेकर नहीं गए. हाँ, लेकर नहीं गए जी.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
बाय बाय. आपसे भी मेरे को मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा.
हाँ, मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
मैं बिहार भोजपुर आरा जिला का हूँ.
ओके. He's from Bihar. Okay, bye. So that was good. He was pretty sweet, and he's told us to go to this. This is Isa Khan's garden tomb. Okay, that is how the entry looks. Let's go inside. Nice. Another tomb with some blue stones happening. People getting clicked. And some more structures around here. I feel so proud being a Delhiite today. Like, other than the traffic, pollution, hustle, bustle, malls and all the, great things happening, we even have some historic heritage. We're on the way back, and I hate talking with my mask on. So it's off. And man, this was a really, really nice experience. And let's see what we have here. See, my mask is off because I hate talking with the mask on. so excuse me for that. Not gonna get corona over the camera. And 20 baras tha. Okay, he told us it's 40 years before Humayun, but it's 20. Okay, shukriya.
Sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions.
This guy loves the camera as much as I do, definitely.
The sounds are blended together to achieve.
So I'm on my way back now, and this was an amazing experience. I think one thing COVID-19 has actually done for me is like, realizing the importance and value of the small little things in life. And, venturing out in my own city, living without vacations, and, all that, whatever we would look forward to in life has pretty much changed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I definitely love talking to you guys. So, and I've heard there is a Sundar Nagar nursery out here. यहाँ पे एक nursery रहता है? यहीं पे है?
हाँ, ये नर्सरी है लेकिन पार्क मिला दिया।
तो क्या होता है अंदर?
पार्किंग है, घूमने के लिए है।
बस घूमने के लिए? ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू। कोई टाइमिंग रहता है इसका?
मुझे पता नहीं, वो लिखा हुआ है।
ओके, I'll figure. Thank you. So that is the entry to this nursery. I've actually heard a lot about this place, people coming here for some Sunday scenes or something. So that is the landscape city park, Sundar Nursery, and that is how it looks, guys. Can you believe it? This is Delhi, central Delhi, 10 minutes away from South Delhi. Pretty nice. Hello, आप यहाँ आते रहते हैं? Okay. अच्छा, I got scared. I thought he's not interested.
I'm not interested.
आप आते रहते हैं यहाँ पे? For evening walks?
Evening walk.
You like it here?
बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है।
हाँ, मैं तो पहली बार ही आई हूँ।
के लिए इससे अच्छी शायद जगह नहीं है।
या।
सेकंड थोड़ा कंपेयर में है इसके लोधी गार्डन।
हाँ, लोधी तो आई एम वेरी रेगुलर।
यहाँ बहुत।
कहाँ दूर से आते हैं आप या
आस-पास है?
ओके। Lucky you, you have access to such greenery. तो कोरोना के टाइम में यहाँ पे रश रहता है?
या वो कोरोना के टाइम में थोड़ा महीने 2-3 महीने बंद रहता था, क्लोज रहता।
हाँ।
उसके बाद लोग कंटिन्यू।
ओके, आपका नाम?
मोहम्मद अब्बास।
मोहम्मद अब्बास जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके। थैंक यू। So that is a monument right here in the middle. And this place is actually really good for an evening jog or to bicycle and just unwind. I'm definitely coming here with my cycle super soon. Foot is in the water now. Let's be a little more careful. So I've entered the main nursery area, and you can buy these plants here till 4 p.m. They have a lot of variety of it, I'm sure. This is what my mom actually loves doing. She's gonna love this place. She loves gardening. Guys, this was a fun day, and I'm super tired now. I wanna head back, probably meet a friend, and so I'll see you guys soon. And I hope you liked today's video. If you liked, please like, subscribe, share, and if you didn't like, still be kind. So bye, and yes, always wear your mask. I'm just gonna wear it right away. Bye.